Nano-Master NLP-4000 is a standalone hybrid PECVD PEALD system for performing plasma-enhanced atomic layer deposition as well as plasma-enhanced chemical vapor deposition. Both processes can be performed in a single chamber without any mechanical reconfiguration. It is also capable of depositing a stack of layers of PECVD PEALD in the same process.
It is CE
and semi-standards compliant and capable of processing up to 8-inch wafers. The system is controlled with LabVIEW software and features 3-level password-controlled user authorization using a touchscreen monitor. The system is fully automated, safety-interlocked, recipe-driven, with status indicators and graphic and alphanumeric displays. Nano-Master NLP-4000 features 13 nickel-plated ALD chamber with heated chamber wall, 5x10-7 torr base pressure attained with turbo pumping package. Nano-Master 4 antenna planar ICP source. High surface ALD filter at the chamber exhaust. Level precursor distribution. Platin, up to 400 degrees Celsius. Biasable with RF. Handles up to 8 wafers. Load lock. Automatic load and unload. MFCs with electropolished gas lines and pneumatic shutoff valves. Fully automated PC-based, recipe-driven. LabVIEW user interface. YEMO protection and safety interlocks. Nano-Master NLP-4000 options. Provision for 150 cubic centimeters bubblers for silicon or gallium for depositing PECVD films. Separate gas pod for reactive/toxic gases with gas leak sensors. Nano-Master NLP-4000 applications. Metallization and gate stack. Gallium nitride, G-HEMT transistor, supercapacitor, power electronics, gas permeation barrier, solar cell applications. Please contact us at sales@semistarcorp.com or message at 408-612-1209 for more information on the Nano-Master NLP-4000 Hybrid PECVD PEALD system. Appreciate your time.